Welcome to Kiddo English Hub Educational Channel.
He is angry on me.
He is angry with me. He is angry with me.
God is kind on us.
God is kind to us. God is kind to us.
He died with fever.
He died of fever. He died of fever.
Am I late from school?
Am I late for school? Am I late for school?
He is too intelligent.
He is very intelligent. He is very intelligent.
He is unfit to this job.
He is unfit for this job. He is unfit for this job.
He lives at Rawalpindi.
He lives in Rawalpindi. He lives in Rawalpindi.
He insisted to go to city.
He insisted on going to the city. He insisted on going to the city.
A goat fell in a well.
A goat fell into a well. A goat fell into a well.
This sum is very easier.
This sum is very easy. This sum is very easy.
Alms were given free.
Alms were given freely. Alms were given freely.
Is he blind by one eye?
Is he blind in one eye? Is he blind in one eye?
This essay is bad written.
This essay is badly written. This essay is badly written.
He caught me from the neck.
He caught me by the neck. He caught me by the neck.
She married with him.
She married him. She married him.
I prefer tea than coffee.
I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer tea to coffee.
He discussed about the issue.
He discussed the issue. He discussed the issue.
The scenery of Murray are beautiful.
The scenery of Murray is beautiful. The scenery of Murray is beautiful.
He is suffering from cold.
He is suffering from a cold. He is suffering from a cold.
She resembles to her mother.
She resembles her mother. She resembles her mother.
He is addicted of smoking.
He is addicted to smoking. He is addicted to smoking.
They entered into the room.
They entered the room. They entered the room.
She congratulated me for my success.
She congratulated me on my success. She congratulated me on my success.
He is senior than me.
He is senior to me. He is senior to me.
The train is running in time.
The train is running on time. The train is running on time.
She's married with a doctor.
She is married to a doctor. She is married to a doctor.
I am waiting for your reply since 2 hours.
I have been waiting for your reply for 2 hours. I have been waiting for your reply for 2 hours.
He prevented me to go outside.
He prevented me from going outside. He prevented me from going outside.
She is listening music.
She is listening to music. She is listening to music.
He is absent from 2 days.
He has been absent for 2 days. He has been absent for 2 days.
She is more clever than me.
She is cleverer than me. She is cleverer than me.
Open the light, please.
Turn on the light, please. Turn on the light, please.
He is looking the sky.
He is looking at the sky. He is looking at the sky.
He has no any friends.
He has no friends. He has no friends.
He took out his shoes.
He took off his shoes. He took off his shoes.
She is interested for music.
She is interested in music. She is interested in music.
I met an one-eyed man.
I met a one-eyed man. I met a one-eyed man.
He does not know to swim.
He does not know how to swim. He does not know how to swim.
She came with bus.
She came by bus. She came by bus.
He told to me a secret.
He told me a secret. He told me a secret.
She was married before 2 years.
She got married 2 years ago. She got married 2 years ago.
He is good in English.
He is good at English. He is good at English.
She gave me an advice.
She gave me advice. She gave me advice.
I am going to home.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
He did a mistake.
He made a mistake. He made a mistake.
I am going to abroad.
I'm going abroad. I'm going abroad.
I know him good.
I know him well. I know him well.
He is my cousin brother.
He is my cousin. He is my cousin.
He does not listen me.
He does not listen to me. He does not listen to me.
I came in the evening.
I came in the evening. I came in the evening.
She gave me a good news.
She gave me good news. She gave me good news.
He is richer than me.
He is richer than I am. He is richer than I am.
I go to bed in 10 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
She is very much tired.
She is very tired. She is very tired.
He reached to the station.
He reached the station. He reached the station.
He wrote a poetry.
He wrote poetry. He wrote poetry.
She is wearing a blue dress today.
She is wearing blue today. She is wearing blue today.
I came here before 3 days.
I came here 3 days ago. I came here 3 days ago.
She does not know to drive.
She does not know how to drive. She does not know how to drive.
I will come to there.
I will come there. I will come there.
He prevented me to go.
He prevented me from going. He prevented me from going.
I did not know the answer.
I did not know the answer. I did not know the answer.
He is junior than me.
He is junior to me. He is junior to me.
She is afraid from the dog.
She is afraid of the dog. She is afraid of the dog.
She entered into the room.
She entered the room. She entered the room.
She is superior than him.
She is superior to him. She is superior to him.
She loves with her husband.
She loves her husband. She loves her husband.
He is talking about politics since morning.
He has been talking about politics since morning. He has been talking about politics since morning.
He is rich than me.
He is richer than me. He is richer than me.
He insisted to go.
He insisted on going. He insisted on going.
Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, check out the link in the description box and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.